Hey guys, this is another slope video. The way we're going to find slope today is using ordered pairs. The steps to find the slope when you have ordered pairs, pretty easy. The first thing is we're going to label the coordinates. So instead of being in a table or a graph, you're just going to have the ordered pairs listed side by side. Once you label x1, y1, x2, y2, then you're going to set up your formula just like you do when you have a table. On the top, you should have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And once you have this set up, then all you do is step 3, solve for slope. Example number 1. The coordinates, the first pairing is 5, 7. The second pairing is 4, 9. I'm going to label what those are. x1, y1, x2, y2. Then I'm going to set up my equation. I like to go ahead and just put these parentheses in so I make sure when I do come across negative numbers that I don't mess that up with the subtraction sign that's in the center. Just trying to keep myself straight on that. When you look back up, the y2 number is 9. The y1 number is 7. The x2 number is 4. And the x1 number is 5. When I solve this and I go straight across, 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. I can simplify this in proper fraction. 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. So the final answer, the slope for these two ordered pairs would be negative 2. Alright, one more example. I'm going to label the coordinates first. x1, y1, x2, y2. Set up my formula, put in my parentheses to hold the place value position for my coordinates. y2 is 4, y1 is negative 4, x2 is negative 18, x1 is negative 12. So this is one of those times where I was saying I'd put this parentheses in here so that I don't mistake this negative right here with a subtract. And then it happens again in the bottom, negative 12. I don't want to be misled by the subtract sign and think I already put that in. So that's why I use these parentheses. When I go straight across and I try to solve 4 minus negative 4, if you're doing these mentally, just remember that two negatives, these two right here, cancel each other out, or a subtract with a negative cancels out to become a positive. And once you do that, 4 plus 4, now is what we're solving, that would be 8. When you go across the bottom, the same thing happens. The subtract and the negative, they're going to cancel each other out so that 12 becomes a positive, or it says add 12. Now when I go across the bottom, it says negative 18. These have been canceled out. So negative 18 plus 12 plus regular 12. Don't think it's still, it's not still negative 12. It's now 12. And I'll change that up to the top that says plus 4. When you have one negative and one positive, really what you do is subtract. So 18 minus 12 is 6. 18 is larger, so that's negative. You could keep this at 8 over negative 6, or you can reduce it, and it should become negative 4/3 would also be a proper answer. Either one of these mean the same thing. Negative 8/6 or negative 4/3 would be your simplified version. Hope this helped finding slope from ordered pairs.